Jadi. Okay, mute belakang Alright, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we would like to present our research entitled Changing Efficiency in Regional Supply Chain. This presentation is prepared by Nik Muhammad Alif Azwan, Muhammad Faiz and Muhammad Yusri.
First of all, let me briefly explain what a regional supply chain is. A regional supply chain involves multi-country and business partner, which makes it more complex than domestic supply chains. If it is not managed properly, it can cause high transportation cost, delivery delay, and customer dissatisfaction. That is why improving e- efficiency in regional supply chain is very important.
Okay, next, research background. Nowadays, globalization has increased cross-border trade activities. Many companies depend on regional supply chain to source material and distribute product across countries. However, many firms still face problems such as logistic discretion with coordination, limited use of technology, in increasing sustainability pressure. Because of this, an integrate study in net.
Alright, we move to research problem. Most previous studies focus on supply chain factors separately. In addition, there are limited empirical studies on regional supply chains in Southern Asia. The combined impact of logistics, coordination, technology, workforce, and sustainability is still not well studied. This research aims to fill that gap.
Research objective. The objectives of this study are one, to examine the effect of logistic optimization on supply chains efficiency. To analyze the influence of partner coordination. To evaluate the impact of technology adoption. To assess the role of workforce competency. To examine the effect of sustainability practice.
Okay, next, logistic optimization. For logistic optimization, we focus on transportation planning, inventory management, and warehouse. Better route planning and can reduce delivery time and transportation costs. At the same time, good inventory control help prevent overstock and stock shortage.
Partner coordination. Next is partner coordination. This refers to information sharing and joint planning between supply chain partners. Strong coordination helps reduce uncertainty and improves overall supply chain performance, especially in the regional operation.
Technology adoption. Technology adoption includes systems such as ERP, real-time tracking, and data analytics. This technology improves supply chain visibility and help com- com- companies respond faster to change and disruption. Therefore, technology play a very important role in improving efficiency.
Okay. Next, workforce competency. Workforce competency refer to the skill, knowledge, and expression of employers. A skilled workforce can improve planning, accuracy, and daily operation. Continual training is important to user. Usual employers can adapt to change in the supply chain environment.
Sustainability practice. Sustainability practice include green logistics and energy efficient transportation. Although sustainability may seem costly at first, it supports long-term efficiency and resilience. Today, sustainability is becoming increasingly important in supply chain management.
Theoretical foundation. This study is based on two main theories, resource-based view and the score model. The resource-based view focus on internal resource, with the score model focus on process efficiency. Together, this theory explain how supply chains efficiency can be improved.
Okay, methodology. This research use a quantitative research approach. A total of 150 supply chain professionals from Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand, and Indonesia participated in this study. Data were collected using structured quotation questionnaire.
Alright, we move to data analysis. The data we analyze using descriptive statistics, correlation analysis, and multiply regression analysis. The reliability result was strong with Cronbach alpha values above not 0.80. This shows that the data are reliable.
Descriptive result. The result show that supply chain efficiency has a high mean value. Logistic optimization and workforce competency receive strong agreement from respondent. Sustainability practice show moderate but positive adoption.
Correlation result. All independent variables show positive relationship with supply chain in efficiency. Technology adaptation and logistic optimization show the correlation. These results are statistically significant. significant.
Regression result. Based on regression analysis, technology adoption has the strongest influence on supply chain efficiency. Logistic optimization is the second most influential factor. Other variables such as coordination, workforce competency, and sustainability are also significant. Overall, the model explains 68% of the variation in supply chain efficiency.
Discussion. The findings show that technology improves visibility and decision-making speed. Logistic optimization reduce cost and delay. Workforce competency ensure smooth operation with coordination and sustainability support long-term performance.
So next, managerial application. From a managerial perspective, company should invite the digital supply chain technology. Logistic process should be continually improved. Organizations should also strengthen collaboration with partner and provide regular employee training.
Right, last but not least is a conclusion. In conclusion, regional supply chain efficiency is influenced by several interrelated factors. Technology evolution is a logistic optimization are the most critical drivers. An integrated approach is necessary to achieve sustainable supply chain performance. And that's all from us. Thank you for attention. Yeah.